Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today, well, I just woke up at like 6, and it's 6:50 now. I just got done eating breakfast and getting all my food and stuff ready for today. So, I'm probably going to take you guys through just a little bit of what I eat in a day. Obviously, I don't have it in front of me because I already ate it because I was hungry. But, okay, so this was protein, 2% milk, and creatine. This was 8 ounces of water, coffee with a little bit of sugar-free creamer. I had 2 English muffins, and then I had 4 eggs. And right now, I'm on a maintain, like I said in the last video, to just redo pretty much my metabolism and everything and reset my body, and get it ready for the bulk. But so, what's the day looking like? So, I got school, and then I got to go to work, and then I have legs, quad focused leg day. Roo. Got a quad focused leg day. Sorry, my dog was tweaking. He's so tweaking. Roo. So I have a quad focused leg day. So I'm probably gonna start out with like some type of compound, maybe. Nah, I might start an isolation movement. I'm gonna start with the iso movement and then move into compounds. Just so like that muscle is already gassed and it's just gonna keep getting gassed as I progress through my workout. But yeah, so Oregon Subway. So gonna hit up that Subway shift and then hit up legs, and I'll show throughout the day. I'll film some stuff about what I eat, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna go get ready for school now. So y'all have a good day. Okay, so lunch.
What flavor we got?
97 ground turkey. And Greek yogurt. All right, just go on ahead. Just fucking, yeah. All right, what's going on YouTube? We're back. I don't even know why I said what's up because I said that this morning. But so today is legs. More like quads and calves, because that's all that I'm gonna be hitting today. I'm trying out this new little thing where like I just have like a whole separate day for hamstrings and for like hamstrings and glutes, just to see like, okay, glutes is kind of crazy, I know, but my hamstrings are like underdeveloped from my quads, I feel like. And I feel just to get like my full leg look, I feel like having a separate hamstring day to where I can really hit them hard and isolate them, it'd be beneficial. But so I'm probably gonna start out, like I said this morning, probably start out with a isolation movement, probably like leg extensions, and then I'll move into some more of compound lifts, just that since my quads are mostly going to be used throughout those compound lifts, just to burn them out at the beginning. But yeah, I'm gonna sip on this pre. I just got out of work. They scheduled me at 4 to 6. Who wants to go into work for 2 hours? 2. But yeah, it's whatever. So some people may find it controversial to lift like I'm lifting, but I don't know. My calves are like beat right now for some reason. Like they hurt, they're sore. So I don't know what's going on there, but yeah. So like I said, quads, gonna get a good pump, gonna get them Gonna get them burnt. Gonna grow. Gonna force them to grow. Failure every set. Drop sets. Just whatever to make it as intense as I can. But yeah. So hopefully it's not packed. I'll see y'all in there. So we got single leg extension. Put the weight on the outside of your foot. So your foot's like this, but on the outside it works the outer portion of your quad more. Don't gotta go too heavy, slow and controlled. Don't bounce the weight.
5.
is, if you are doing it, if you're doing single leg, rest for like 15 seconds in between, because you won't get the same output if you're going back to back with your legs. You just won't get the same output. Start with your weakest leg first, move in, so that'll be my right leg, and then move into your stronger leg, which is my left leg. So, yeah. The way to determine that is, if you ever played any sports and you go to jump, and you're jumping one foot, which foot you jump off of the most, pretty much what your strength is going to be, what your strongest leg is going to be. So. Vince, you want it?
I love that.
Alright. Just got back from the gym. Well, I didn't just get back from the gym. I took a shower, ate, and I just ate. I just got done with my third meal of the day. I had a snack for my pre-workout, which was bagel and yogurt, protein yogurt and blueberries. Just ate my 8 ounces of chicken breast with tortilla, rice, and salsa. That was fire. I'm gonna wait a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and eat my 4th meal. And so I just want to come on here and kind of film a little bit of an outro. I didn't really talk too much during my lift because I really wanted to get the most out of my legs, my leg day, you know. I don't really talk during my lifts. I don't really say too much unless it's like something helpful or I know that'll help other people. But just to put in perspective of what like my leg day was looking like, I came in there with the mentality of I want to work out like hard. I want to hit my legs hard. I want to pretty much just destroy my legs, have nothing left in the tank. But at the same time, I don't want to overdo it. You know what I'm saying? Like, because there's a certain point where you're hitting your lift and you're actually working your legs, and there's a point where you're kind of overtraining, you're overdoing it. You're not essentially just not even getting anything out of the workout at that point. So I did 8 sets, hard failure sets of pretty much my quad movements that I wanted to do today. There was, it was an okay lift. I didn't really know. I came in there with an idea of what I wanted to do, but I tried some new movements. Some I liked, some I didn't like, but that just comes with it. So I'm just gonna keep experimenting with my movements that I do. And overall, I felt pretty good. And I feel like I did hit the lift hard, but at the same time, I feel like I kind of overdid it just a little bit. And then there at the end, I was kind of gassed. So, and then I posed, and then I hit some calf raises, and then some seated calf raises, and that was pretty much it. But
the thing that I do throughout each and every day is I just want to get better. I just want to, incline, you know, and I feel like, I can do this, like, and like I said in the intro of the whole YouTube channel, that's something that I strive to do each and every single day. I want to be better. I want to be better than I was yesterday. I want to be better than I was 10 hours ago, an hour ago, a minute. Like, I just want to keep consistently kind of doing the things that I love to do, like I said. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of group everything up at, the end of this, and that's pretty much it. So I hope everybody has a good night. I don't know when this is going to be posted. I'm going to try and get it out tonight. We'll see how that works though, because I'm kind of new to this whole thing of, editing and trying to get the videos down, and I still got to post on TikTok and stuff, and and schoolwork, but I don't do that. Okay, so hope everybody has a good night. Stay hydrated, stay focused. Mentality is everything. We'll repeat that. Mentality is everything. So, okay, everybody have a good night. See you.